Use a pedal sewing machine. Do you have an old pedal sewing machine at home? Well, you may want to learn how to use them. Pedal sewing machines do not need any electricity to run. Your feet will work it using the pedal attached at the bottom of the sewing machine. It may not be easy at first, but once you learn the technique, it is really fun to do. The sewing quality of the pedal sewing machine is as good as the modern sewing machine if it is taken care of properly. Keep its good condition and it can stitch as better as a high-speed sewing machine. Stitching using the pedal sewing machine can even save you excessive electric bill while you get a good workout for your feet. Check the machine's condition. Before proceeding into sewing, you must first see if the parts of the machine are complete. Check the machine's condition and every part that is attached in it. Make sure all parts are complete and usable. You may run down the belt to see if it is not yet broken. The machine belt needs to be replaced once in a while because it wears out as time goes by. This belt is essential to make the machine run properly. Prepare the thread. You must prepare the thread and insert it on the hole that was allotted for it. Then place a bobbin into the bobbin case and insert it under the machine where it should be placed. Make sure that the bobbin is also filled with thread or else it won't stitch any fabric. Test it. Sit in front of the sewing machine to see if it's still good for using. Get a fabric that you will work on to test the sewing machine. Lift the presser foot by pushing up the handlebar located at the back part of the machine. Then place the fabric under the presser foot where the needle is located, then press down the presser foot by pushing down the handlebar. Use the pedal. Now, you must learn how to place your foot to the pedal. Place both feet on the pedal bar or treadle. Make one foot a little bit ahead than the other but still on the center of the treadle. Balance the placing of your feet on the treadle, making yourself comfortable on the position. Use the balance wheel. Before pedaling your feet away, you must balance your first move. Place your one hand to the balance wheel located on the right side of the sewing machine. Turn the balance wheel towards you. Turn it slightly while pedaling your feet to the treadle. Pushing the balance wheel will help the wheel to work. Once you start to pedal, the balance wheel will support the next movement of the machine. After the first pedaling, you can now release the balance wheel immediately. Secure the movement of your foot by alternating the pressure of the heel and toe of both your feet. So, if you just need to make small stitches, you may just guide the balance wheel by your hand to make small stitches. You must understand that the balanced wheel should be always turning towards you. If it turns to the alternate position, it might complicate the stitching movement to the fabric. Also, the thread on the bobbin case and the needle might tangle up. You must familiarize yourself with every part of the sewing machine to be able to understand the use of each. It will also help you know how to properly take care of it. If you do not have the manual guide of the machine, you can look it up through the internet and print a copy for reference.